Right now, you are standing on a world that feels enormous. Mountains rise above the clouds, oceans stretch beyond the horizon, entire civilizations cover the surface of this planet, and yet, in the scale of the cosmos, Earth is almost nothing. A tiny rock, floating through a darkness so vast that the human mind cannot truly understand it. Every human who has ever lived, every empire, every dream, every war happened here. Tonight, we are leaving Earth. We will travel beyond the moon, past the planets, through the stars, and toward the edge of the observable universe itself. And by the end of this journey, you may never look at the night sky the same way again. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel and join us for more journeys beyond reality. So, how big is our universe? This is Earth, our home. It is nearly 13,000 kilometers wide. To us, it feels massive. Crossing oceans takes days. Flying across continents takes hours. But from space, everything changes. Borders disappear. Cities vanish. All that remains is a fragile blue sphere drifting through silence. And yet, Earth is only the beginning, because just beyond our planet lies the first step into the true scale of space. The moon is over 384,000 kilometers away from Earth. If Earth were the size of a basketball, the moon would be a tennis ball, floating several meters away. And between them, almost nothing. Mostly emptiness. Even light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes more than 1 second to reach the moon. The astronauts of Apollo traveled farther than any humans in history, yet cosmically speaking, they barely left home. Because beyond the moon, the scale of reality begins to explode. This is the Sun, a star so large that more than 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Its gravity controls every planet, every asteroid, every comet in the solar system. Earth is 150 million kilometers away from the Sun, yet its light still reaches us in only 8 minutes. But the outer solar system is far more terrifying. Neptune is so distant that sunlight takes over 4 hours to reach it. And beyond Neptune, space becomes cold, silent, and almost completely empty. Voyager 1, the farthest human-made object ever created, has traveled for nearly 50 years, and it still hasn't fully escaped the sun's influence. That is how enormous our solar system truly is. But even this is tiny compared to what comes next, the Milky Way Galaxy. The Milky Way is so massive that even traveling at the speed of light, it would take over 100,000 years to cross it. Inside this galaxy, there are hundreds of billions of stars. Many may have planets. Some may even contain life. And our sun, it is just one tiny star, lost among billions of others. Humanity has explored only a microscopic part of this galaxy. And still, the Milky Way is not alone, because beyond our galaxy, there are trillions more. The closest major galaxy to us is Andromeda, a galaxy containing nearly 1 trillion stars. It is so far away that its light takes over 2 million years to reach Earth. When you look at Andromeda tonight, you are seeing ancient light from the distant past. And Andromeda is only one galaxy in a universe filled with countless others. Galaxies collide, stars are born, black holes consume entire systems. Across the cosmos, creation and destruction never stop. And the deeper we look into space, the further back in time we see. This is the observable universe, the part of reality humanity can actually see. Scientists estimate it stretches over 93 billion light-years across. Inside it, there may be more than 2 trillion galaxies, each containing stars, planets, and possibly life. But the terrifying truth is this: the observable universe may only be a tiny fraction of everything that exists. There may be regions so distant, their light will never reach us. Infinite worlds may exist beyond our vision, and humanity may never know what lies there. After all the galaxies, all the distances, and all the unimaginable scales, one truth becomes clear. Humanity is incredibly small, but maybe, That is what makes us special. Because somewhere in this endless darkness, life learned to look up. The universe became aware of itself. And perhaps one day, we will finally discover what else is out there. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, subscribe to the channel and continue exploring the universe with us.